We like to think of nations as stories built on shared values, democracy, ancient mythology. But in the cold rooms where maps are drawn, empires are managed, stories are luxury. Israel is not just another partner on the world map. Since 1948, the West didn't just welcome a new state, it installed a machine, a geopolitical wedge driven into the heart of the world's most volatile engine. Look at the map, forget the politics for a second, and just look at the dirt. Israel sits at the absolute crossroads of the human experience. To its west, the Suez Canal, the artery of global trade. To its east, the Strait of Hormuz, the faucet of global energy. This tiny strip of land isn't just a country, it's a watchtower. It overlooks every choke point that keeps the modern world from grinding to a halt. In military circles, they have a name for it, the unsinkable aircraft carrier. Think about the cost of a single American carrier strike group: billions of dollars, thousands of lives, and a massive political target. Israel provides the same power projection without a single American boot on the ground. It is a permanent forward base that never needs to dock, never needs to refuel, and projects Western influence deeper into West Asia than any fleet ever could. But let's be brutal about why the support never wavers. It's an exchange. Israel provides the world's most aggressive laboratory for Western tactics. It tests the weapons, it refines the intelligence, and it keeps regional adversaries like Iran and Hezbollah in check, all without direct American casualty. Every aid package and every UN veto isn't an act of charity. It's a strategic payment to a machine that multiplies Western power. When empires wonder who will guard the Middle East, they don't look to the London or Paris. They look to the line drawn in Tel Aviv. Whether you cheer for it or condemn it, that line isn't moving. Because in the game of global dominance, some assets aren't just significant, they are indispensable. The West doesn't just support Israel, it depends on it. We like